Hey guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you several ways on how you can wear a bomber jacket. I love bomber jackets for any time of year, so I was really excited to do this video, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's dive in. So for this first outfit, I'm starting with this blue shirt that has a heart that has all the names of the states in it. It's really cute. I got from Walmart. And then I am wearing this lace bomber jacket over top from Goodwill. And then I am just wearing these peach capris, also from Walmart. And for shoes, I am wearing these gold sneakers I got from Amazon. And that's the outfit. It's one of my favorites for summer because it's so easy to throw together, but it's still so fun and bright and cute. So this next outfit is more of a lazy day outfit for me, but it's still really cute. So I'm starting off with this Flash shirt that I actually painted the Flash logo on it and then I just tied it. And the tutorial for how to do a graphic tee will be linked below if you're interested in that. And then I'm just wearing this navy bomber jacket. And then I'm just wearing these kind of sweat style pants that were actually a matching set with a bomber jacket, and both of them came from Goodwill. And then these navy sneakers I got from Walmart. So for this next outfit, I'm going to show you a slightly different way to wear a bomber jacket. I'm starting off with the navy bomber jacket from before, but this time it's around my waist. And then I'm just wearing this shirt with flowers on it that I got from Ross. And these shorts came from Goodwill. And lastly, for shoes, I'm just wearing these simple brown sandals from Walmart. And there you go. There's a slightly different way to wear a bomber jacket that I really love, especially for summer when it's a little bit warmer. So this next outfit is like one of my favorites for summer. I love it. I'm starting off with this feather shirt that I made. I will link that tutorial below if you're interested. And then I am wearing that lace bomber jacket from before. And then this coral floral skirt from Goodwill. And then I am wearing these white sneakers from Walmart. And sorry, this shot is so washed out. And there you go. I love this outfit because it's so fun and summery and just adorable. So this next outfit is all of 80s vibes. I'm starting off with this yellow tank top I got from Goodwill and then the lace bomber jacket from before. And then I'm just wearing these light wash jeans I got from Goodwill that I rolled up slightly. And lastly, these gold sneakers from before. And that is it for this outfit. It's so 80s because of the bright colors and light wash denim, but I really love this outfit for summer. And for this last outfit, I thought I would go a little more preppy. I'm starting off with this red plaid button-up from Goodwill and then that navy bomber jacket from before. And then I'm just wearing these fringed jeans that I made, again linked below. And then I'm wearing these brown ankle boots from Fred Meyer, I believe. And there you go, a more preppy way to wear a bomber jacket. I especially love this for back to school. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe below because I post fashion videos every Friday and hairstyle videos on Monday. And be sure to tell me in the comments below which one of these outfits was your favorite and what video you'd like to see next. And don't forget to share this with a friend who loves bomber jackets. Alright guys, bye.